Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how we can make a job portal website. So once again we are on Monster One and I'm going to write here job portal. Enter. So as usual we have done again all items, but we will go again to WordPress and just write job portal and enter. So this time we have got WordPress themes and they are all stunning, beautiful. So we are going to select this theme, Creativia. I will show you here in details. I've already opened the details and also the live demo. So here you can see the portal images. Creativia is quite nice, fresh and modern looking website. With all new features. So let's see what they have got. So it's a fully functional job portal or job website for employees and for employers. So for job seekers and for employers. And features are very nice. One-click demo and everything is with Elementor, the same bootstrap base and well documented, compatible with all browsers, mobile friendly. That's great. So we jump on to the live demo. So our website will look like this. I just refresh once again. So our website will look like this. You can see the home, about, pages, our team, find a job, our services, contact us, register, and new add job. As well as here free registered, recruitment, real employees, 100% trusted. Now they have shown more categories. So if you are a recruiter, you are going to choose this section. If you are looking for a job, then you will be choosing this section. Very nice. Find a job, company, very nice layout with icons and information. You see all information when this job posted, and from where, which department, what they're looking for, full-time, private. Very nice. So let's get started. We will go to our website first. I'm going to refresh the page of creativia.era24.co.uk, and you see, as usual, there is a default post. So we are going to log in now to our website. After login, we are going to do the same thing. If you have already downloaded the theme from there, then you can just upload in appearance. Click on appearance, add theme, new, and then when you click upload, here you can upload the theme wherever you have saved. So I have already uploaded. I can show you. So I'm clicking back again to appearance, and it is showing that both themes are installed. So the main theme and the child theme. I'm going to activate the child theme And after child theme activation, I'm going to install the plugins. Selecting all plugins, choosing option install, apply. So plugin installation is started and it is going very fast. So we are reaching more than half plugins are installed and almost all done. So we'll go back to this section, required plugin installer, and now we are going to activate. Select all, pop down, activate, apply. Now we will wait a little, and here you go. All plugins are successfully activated. Now we're going back to dashboard. And we will process our theme demo import. So Elementor, I'm not going to create an account or to join, but you can do later on or once you will start up your website. It's a good exercise, but I'm going to close this section. I will leave in description the link of this website and the link of the theme. So if you want to read more about this theme, you can go there and then read about the theme and download the theme and then use as you wish. Now we are going back to appearance. So on the right hand side you will see import demo data. We are going to click this, and as you can see the child theme is installed. We are going to import the demo data, so clicking on it. Now after that we are on this page. It is asking us to install the plugins if you want, but I will install as they are all working well with this theme. Click import. The plugins are now installing and activating. So it will take some time. I will come back once they are all installed and the process has been started. As you can see, the plugins are installed now. Now we are going to click on it and import the content, including images. Now our demo theme content is imported, so Creativia is ready to see. Now we can just refresh our page and let's see our beautiful website. Here you go, Creativia home page, the other pages. Now I'm going to check the other pages after having a look of the front page. Yes, it is completed. Okay, now we are going to check other pages such as about. So first we are going to look about. So about us page is beautiful. So you can see nice looking theme. You are going to have it for your business or for your own purpose. Our services, we can see what services they are showing and how. So this is the way you can create your own job portal website. If you feel any kind of problem, or you don't find the way how it should be look like this, so don't hesitate and contact me on my comment section of this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe this video and my channel, so I'll bring you all the way and all the time new videos, and that you can get benefit. So just see the description and find the link to get this theme and see the theme features and functionalities in theme description. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.